Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're in a different setup today because it looks really dark outside, so I thought I'd come in this room, sit right in front of the window, so hopefully that'll be a little bit better for you. So today's video is something very exciting. So I won a competition on Twitter with Barry M, and it was to get this like PR package full of all the lip colours that they do. So I'm just going to get it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's caution contains nudes, which is funny. So basically, like inside, let me just, massive box, it's like this. It says 3 shades of nudity because they had 3 nude shades out, which are these 3. And then they sent me all of the other stuff. So yeah, I won that competition, so I'm just gonna do swatches and try them all on for you. And yeah, so let's just get on with it because I'm excited. So these retail for £6.99 on Superdrug, and at the moment they have an offer on buy one get one half price, so that's good. So if you like any of these swatches, then definitely go and buy some. So the first one I'm going to try is one of the new ones. It's a matte lip kit in matte and it's in the shade Hun. They're really pretty. I love the packaging, the same as the colour. Get them both out. Oh yep, that's what it looks like. Really nude, sort of pinky colour. Wow, that is pigmented. They don't feel sticky, they don't feel too drying actually, they feel quite nice. So this one is Hun. I really like that one. It's just a perfect pinky pale nude, it's really pale. I need to get some face wipes because I've just come up here and expecting to just wipe my mouth open, nothing. The next one I'm going to try is called Ride or Die. This is another matte one of the new shades. So physically set open. I really should have took the packaging off before I started this. That's satisfying, that. This one is such a stunning colour. This is like the sort of nude that I always wear as well. I really like that one. So that one's Ride or Die. Yeah, and it is like a really nice mauvey, like sort of like a light purpley colour. The next one is Doll, and it's in the packaging. It looks very red on the camera, but it is actually like a brownie orange. Oh, that's what colour it looks like. Yes, like a brownie orangey colour. Just say they're so easy to glide on as well. This one is, what colour did I say it was? Doll. Yep, so they're all the new ones and I really like them, they're really nice. My favourite I think is Doll. I think it's such a stunning colour, so we're going to go into the other ones that they have. And these are a mix of mattes and metallics and they all look really cool. So the first one is Go To and it is super pale. I think this one is definitely this one's Hun and that one's Go To. So that one's definitely more brown, but it's still equally as pale. go to. Really like this one colour. So the next one is a metallic, and it is couture. Ooh. The packaging's really pretty on these metallic ones. That is a stunning colour. Next is Posay or Pose. Probably Pose. Yeah, probably Pose. That one is Posay. This one is 24 carat and it's a metal one. It's like a gorgeous orange copper colour. That colour is stunning. Oh my god, that's my favourite one. That is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, it goes with my ginger hair, my copper eyes. I love it. So that one is 24 carat. My favourite, definitely. 24 carat magic. This colour is so chic. It's definitely like a brown, chocolate brown. Oh, that is dark. I say I really like the lip liners. They're nice and smooth. They don't stab you, you don't have to, do you know, like when you have a lip liner and you can't get any pigment on it, you have to proper like rub it into your eye, into your lips. These are not one of them. Wow. That is pigmented. So chic, and this one is definitely my favourite so far. Yes, that one and that last copper one. I feel like I'm loving the dark shades more. So the next one is called Prestige and is another metallic one. Beautiful. Like a berry metallic. Feel very oily when they go on. Is that weird? Wow, Christmas in a bottle. So that one is a stunning colour too, and that is Prestige. So the next one is called Runaway. It's definitely more of a pinky berry tone. These are so pigmented. That one is, what shade did I say it was? Runway, definitely a raspberry raspberry colour. Right, so the next colour is like, looks like a really cool fuchsia colour. Like, the packaging is stunning on that. These metallic lip liners would be really nice, like, let me show you just all of the lips. I know my lips look really red now, don't they? So this one is the shade Allure. I've got 2 left and they are the 2 darkest ones. So this one is called Bespoke. Is Bespoke. I like that one. The last shade is called Avantgarde and it's another metallic and it's, wow, this stunning dark purpley metallic, and this one is probably going to be right up my alley. It's really dark, nice. That is well dark. So pigmented. This is the only one that's sort of patchy, but nothing really expected from a darker colour. So that one is Avantgarde. That was all the Matte Me Up lip kits tested. I hope you've really enjoyed. I would love to know which one you prefer down below. I think my favourite is obviously the one that I'm wearing now. I'll put it back on because it's my favourite. 24 carat. It's so stunning. Love it. And definitely my other favourite one was this one. I feel like after the 24 carat one and going up, they were all my favourite ones, the darker ones, but that's just because I like darker lip colours in general anyway, so. But the nude ones are still nice, I'll still wear the nude ones. But a big thanks to Barry M for obviously giving me all these, and I actually won a competition. I never win competitions, so I was really happy when this came to my door. I was like, yay! Jumping around like whoop whoop. Yeah, I'll give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Thank you, bye!